time I sit here and every time I look at this castle, and I've never been to this freaking place ever in my life. So I figured today we'll go check it out. We're testing out the DJI Mini 2 and we're trying to see if this is any good for house photography. Let's take this bad bird up in the air. Please, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, for it's very noisy. I should probably take this up a little bit. Please consider subscribing, for we do giveaways and I try to do daily videos, man, but daily videos, let's be honest, it's really hard. The DJI Mini, the first one, couldn't even get to this freaking place last time. It kept cutting out and stuttering. I know this one has no problem. Did see a helicopter go by, which was a cop one, but it went over yonder, up in those hills. So I think we should be safe. Alright. So, just pray and hope that this comes back safe.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Flight distance? Really? What? Huh. Since when did they update that?
What?
Are you f***ing kidding me right now? I can't even go over there. No f***ing way. No way. Yep.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Are you kidding me right now? Well, alright, I guess. Alright, well, I guess we'll check out our house around here, somewhere else. Dang, that's crazy, because my DJI, like not even a couple months ago, flew right over there. That is, that's a shocker. Oh well. Good. Beggars can't be choosers. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Excuse me. What a video. I need to start scripting these videos. I have no idea where I want to go now. Are we serious? Are we locked? We are locked.
Maximum flight distance reached.
They locked us, bro. What the heck? Come on, FCC. Bro, I flew here many times, man. Many times. Shucks. I mean, they must have locked me out for a good reason. I just don't get it. Like, there's nothing over there. There's gotta be nothing over there. And why? Why? Why, you guys? I guess Kennedy Park is locked AF. Where am I? There's a tree. Oh, okay. Alright, well, screw it. Well, if I can't. 67 feet, bro. Are you serious right now? What the what was that? Bro, I heard that. What the fuck? This place is haunted. Bro, this can't be right. You... Why? It's just a little sliver! Oh, what? What is going on here? More? No fly grids? What? Bro, what the heck is this? Why? Target flight area is in warning zone. Why is this? Why? Damn, bro. It's like literally you can't fly it in the city anymore. Bro, this ain't cool, man. That little sliver wasn't even there last time. Oh, come on, man. Well, I guess I could fly if I wasn't in freaking Tucson, period. How dare they, man? Ay, ay, ay. Well, good. Well, I guess we're gonna fly it over here, you guys. Sorry for my foul language. I simply kind of just don't care anymore. If I was the water, I would be over there. Let's go over there, dude. How dare they, man? How dare they? You know, can you just like go away? Just go away. No. I just need you to go. Hey, look, there's water.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Let's see how far it's gonna let me go before I have to come back. You suck. You so suck. Well, I guess here's the bad. Alright, you guys, I ain't gonna lie, this is a terrible video. But at least I was able to take it up. Okay, now I don't know. Now I'm just lost. I'm just lost. Man, this is crappy. Why? Man, why? I'm a hobbyist, bro. Why ruin my... Oh, you better come home, you bastard. Whoa. Alright. Let's see if I can land it on top of this pole. Was it function? Was it function twice? Yes, it was function twice. I just landed on this pole. Cause I can't fly this drone. If I can't fly it, then I'm just gonna land it right here on this pole. Coming down. Going down a little off the pole. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna land it on this stupid pole. Man, this sucks. Oh well. I would say some stuff, but I ain't trying to be super threatening and get myself in trouble. So I keep all the harsh, bad jokes to myself. I wonder if I could walk with this thing if it would go with me. And it drifts a little bit to the right.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Oh, this is... Listen, you guys, if you guys are buying this drone and you're a hobbyist, bro, let me tell you something. I don't know why they added more support for more no-fly zones. I literally was just here flying like not even 2 months ago, and I could fly clearly to that house. And I could fly clearly over there. So I just want to tell you guys that much. Yeah. Do your research before buying, apparently, I guess. One day, house. One day. I'm gonna put up a clip where I almost made... into the house last time. Uh-oh, crazy ladies are out. Shit. Alright, you guys, that's it for my pretty face. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I'll keep you updated with the latest bullcrap that they're putting on DJI firmware, apparently. That stinks because now I have to go way out of town. Alright, you guys, please consider subscribing. Please hit the alert button. Please hit that little icon. The little icon is over there. It's at the bottom corner. The thing that says click me, that will get you subscribed quickly if you haven't already, so you don't miss the giveaway. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're getting some company here. We're getting a lot of company here. My backpack is unguarded. And yeah, so I guess that's it for today's video. How's it going, bro? We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness, man. This is bullshit. Bullshit. I had to shoot a thumbnail, didn't I? Let's shoot a thumbnail. Let's shoot a thumbnail. I think this should be the thumbnail where like I feel all frustrated.
I think that'll work.
I think that'll work. Alright, you guys. We love you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Yeah, I used to be able to fly my drone here, now I can't fly it, man. Because they blocked it. I used to be able to fly clear across to that house over there, but nah, it's just the FCC, they expanding the no-fly zone. So I was only able to fly it 60 feet out. Yeah, that's terrible. I was here like a month ago, it wasn't like that. One of these days, I'm gonna check out that house. Yeah, that's somebody's house over. Oh yeah, when was that? Is that why they got the lights going across? Yeah, so somebody must have bought it, huh? Someone that was like, or something?
Big house to the left of it.
Yeah.
When I first came there, Muslims owned it, and their terrorist son was running around holding some shit with a gun. They shot and killed that bastard. And I think the family left because it was bad news for them.